Hey guys, this is Georgios from The Next Step. In this short video, it's going to be less than 5 minutes, I promise. We're going to go through everything you need to know about the next step and these first 2 weeks, what is happening. Specifically, we're going to check together the platform, Moodle platform, that this is the main one we're using for this course. Then we're going to see together how you can reset your password or change your password if you need to do so. And then we can also see together how to complete the first task of Dr. Petridis' session that happened the previous Thursday. An important note here, guys, we are having new sessions every Thursday at 4 p.m. CET, Central European Time. This means that the countries that they are using this time zone, for example, Italy or Slovenia, they're going to be joining at 4 p.m. Countries like Greece, for example, or Israel, we are 1 hour ahead, like at 5 p.m. So you're joining the sessions every Thursday at 5 p.m. Make sure you know what time zone you're on and check what's the time difference between CET that we're using in the platform and your current zone, just to make sure you're joining on time. So let's check together how we can log in the Moodle platform. So by following this link, you're going to see the login area. One important thing here is that in the first field, it doesn't ask you to put your email, but the username that is being sent to you either directly by email by Dr. Petridis or again via email in an attachment that is an Excel attachment with all the names and the passwords and the usernames of all of the students. So just check your emails from the last week and try to find that Excel or your direct email you received by Dr. Petridis. If you have any problem with that, just email me and we're gonna sort this out. In case you want to change your password, you can just go to lost password, search by email address. Here is where you're gonna put the email address that you used for registering for the session, and then you're going to receive an email that looks like this one. Make sure that you check your junk email spam, let's say, folder, because usually this type of emails go there. And then you just follow the steps, and this is how you change your password, that you have a stronger password than the one that we gave to you. For the purpose of this recording, I created a demo account as a student. So I make sure that I see exactly what you see when you log in. So one session has been delivered already. And when you see the session, there are 3 main areas you need to pay attention to. The first one is the actual session recording. Here you can go through the whole recording, whatever happened last week, and you can watch it over. You can watch it if you failed to watch it last or join like last week. So this is the actual recording of the session. Second part is the lecture slides. By clicking on the lecture slides, you can see the presentation that was used for the session. And then last and maybe the most important thing for you to complete the session is the homework task. You can find the homework by clicking here or even by clicking on the homework task itself. Then exactly the same thing. Click here to see what the task is about. So the only thing that you need to do for completing the task of the first course, of the first class, is to fill out the questions you're gonna see in this Mentimeter. Just click submit or next whenever it appears on the screen until you see the thank you page in the end of the quiz. So this is all for the homework task. When you are done with your homework, make sure that you come back and you mark it as done. This helps the professor to check that you actually did it and you completed the task. And this is all for now. The next session is going to be on Thursday at 4 p.m. CET. It's going to be at 4 for, again, Italy. It's going to be 4 for Slovenia, 5 for Israel, 5 for Greece. And then for everyone else, just make sure you are following the right time. This is the Zoom link. So this is a session is going to be delivered by me. It's going to be a really nice session about project management. So see you all there. If you have any questions, make sure you are sending me an email and I'm going to help you through everything. Thank you. See you on Thursday. Ciao.